If automobiles had personalities, this Lamborghini Urus Performante would be the super SUV equivalent of the gym rat, strong, combative, and obviously not missing a leg day. Meet the customized Urus Performante, a beast that was created by Lamborghini and subsequently enhanced by experts from 1016 Industries and RDB. This super SUV isn't like the others. It has been flawlessly flexed after being dipped in carbon fiber. Your hood is new and vented. Front attachments that are aggressive. A splitter with sharp side blades that is incredibly thin. Enlarged wheel arches. Long side skirts. There are 2 spoilers at the rear. And to finish it off, a hideous rear diffuser. Let's talk about wheels now. With their Lambo center caps, these Y-spoke alloys are probably from the aftermarket. This style shouts, "Catch me if you can," especially when you combine it with the bright yellow brake calipers that pop against the blacked-out body. Thanks to suspension adjustments, it now even sits closer to the ground. That low posture? Complete mindset. The cabin is all black with stark yellow highlights, based on what we could see through the windscreen, although we weren't given a complete look. Leather, probably. Some suede, perhaps. It is as subtle, shrewd, and all business as the outside. RDB and 1016 Industries deserve praise for this muscular transformation. However, did they also enhance the engine? Unexpectedly, still no word. And because this machine doesn't really require extra power, that's okay. Already a beast, the Lamborghini Urus Performante is a stock vehicle. It takes only 3.3 seconds to go from 0 to 62 miles per hour. Compared to some earlier supercars, that is faster. Maximum velocity? 306 kilometers per hour, or 190 miles per hour. A 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine produces 627 pound-feet of torque and 666 metric horsepower, of which 657 is braking horsepower. It uses a dual-clutch gearbox with rapid fire to transfer power to all 4 wheels. Regardless of your preference for factory Lambo or aftermarket muscle, this Urus Performante is more than simply a car. The road is being dominated by it. Like what you're seeing? For more crazy automobile material like this, use the like button, leave a comment, and remember to subscribe. See you on the following ride.